So hello everyone and guys, welcome to the channel. So whenever I talk to a student, one thing that everyone asks me is, sir, how to cover government schemes with respect to our RBA examination preparation. Either you are preparing for grade A, either you are preparing for grade B, but this is a common doubt, sir. What should be the strategy for preparing government schemes? Because there is ample amount of things that are there. Which ministry, which dimension, how many months of schemes should I prepare, what are the things that I have to prepare in the schemes, कैसे स्टार्ट करूं, कैसे छोड़ूं, क्या पढ़ूं, क्या ना पढ़ूं, ये कॉमन क्वेश्चन हमेशा आपके माइंड में आता है. एंड दिस वीडियो इज ऑल अबाउट दैट थिंग वेयर वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट व्हाट शुड बी योर अप्रोच with regards to the government schemes and how to cover the government schemes if you are preparing for the RBI grade A or B examination. Now one thing important here guys, with respect to RBI grade A examination, we do not have any previous year paper reference. We do not have any exam pattern or exam notification has not been out yet. The important point is, if you are preparing only for RBI grade examination, you can skip this video because in this video, the reference that I have taken is only from the RBI grade B examination. हाँ, अगर आप RBI grade A student है तो हम ये जरूर बोलेंगे कि जैसा कि हमने देखा है नाबार्ड ग्रेड ए में, सेबी ग्रेड ए में, तो वहां पे भी करंट अफेयर्स इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं. तो उस पर्सपेक्टिव से मैं आपको बोलूंगा कि यू कैन सी क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स आल्सो इन आरबीआई ग्रेड ए एग्जामिनेशन. बट अगर आप सिर्फ और सिर्फ ग्रेड ए की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं तो यू माइट लीव दिस वीडियो बिकॉज रेफरेंस आप बोलोगे कि सर ग्रेड ए का तो लिया नहीं है, तो ग्रेड ए का रेफरेंस था नहीं, इसलिए हमने ग्रेड ए का रेफरेंस यहां पे नहीं लिया है. ठीक है जी, चलो. उसके अलावा दोस्तों, इफ यू वॉन्ट टू गेट to have an understanding about, because हम हमेशा बात करते हैं that we are providing you an experience mentorship. So if you want to feel that experience mentorship without paying us anything, you can just subscribe to our free course guys that we are offering you, where you can get a glimpse of the things that we are offering you in the course. Like you can watch the free concept classes, some concept notes, summary sheets, दैट यू कैन हैव एन आइडिया. कुछ मॉक टेस्ट का आपको यहाँ पे आइडिया मिल जाएगा. इसके अलावा दोस्तों, अगर आपको अपनी स्ट्रेटेजी प्रिपेयर करनी है, आपको फेज 1 के जो टॉपिक्स हैं जिसका सिलेबस गिवन नहीं है, जैसे जीए के टॉपिक्स हैं, आपको उसके बारे में जानना है, एक स्ट्रेटेजी के बारे में जानना है, तो आप हमारी ई बुक को भी डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. टॉकिंग अबाउट द फ्री कोर्स गाइस, इट्स एनरोलमेंट इज एब्सोल्युटली फ्री. द लिंक इज गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन एंड यू कैन एक्सपीरियंस द मेंटरशिप फ्रॉम दैट स्पेसिफिक कोर्स. ठीक है, चलो. Now let's come to the session that what should be the strategy when you talk about government schemes. Let's understand the question here. First thing is, how many months should I prepare for the government schemes? Okay, and before I talk about the thing guys, I have already made the videos on the detailed analysis with regards to general awareness, the detailed analysis with regards to economic and social issues for the phase 2 examination. So guys, please do watch those videos also, because that will help you in getting a broader idea about the general awareness और current affairs. और जो schemes वाला पार्ट, उस वीडियो में मैंने बताया नहीं था डिटेल में क्या क्या करना है, वो मैं यहां पे बताऊंगा. बाकी मैं ऑलरेडी सेशन ले चुका हूं. ठीक है जी. नाउ फिर कहां से पढ़े स्कीम्स, ठीक है जी, कौन सी स्कीम्स पढ़नी है, कौन सी डायमेंशंस पढ़नी है, एंड देन आई विल टॉक अबाउट which are some important ministries which you must prepare if you are preparing for the RBI examination, because this is again a question that is always there in the mind of a student here. Let me start with the first question, that what is the timeline that you should follow with regards to the government schemes. I would say guys, first and the foremost thing is that I have told you in my previous sessions also, is that with regards to government schemes, one thing that we have witnessed in the RBI examination is specifically in the phase 2 examination, that the weightage of government scheme has reduced. That is something that we have observed. With regards to phase 1 examination, I am not saying that government schemes was a dominating pillar. Obviously, we were seeing around 10 to 11 questions earlier on. Now this year we have seen around 7 questions. So which means the weightage for phase 1 will be in the range of 7 to 10. Weightage for phase 2, I will not be saying that you should start ignoring the government schemes or you should start thinking that okay, schemes will not play an important part, because if you consider the examination, there is no defined pattern for the year for specifically for phase 2 of PSI. स्कीम्स आती हैं, फिर कई बार करंट अफेयर्स आ जाता है, स्टैटिक आ जाता है, फिर रिपोर्ट्स आ गई पिछली बार. तो माइट बी एन अपसेट दिस ईयर आल्सो वेयर यू विल सी एम्पल अमाउंट ऑफ गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स इन द फेज 2 एग्जामिनेशन. सो आई वुड से प्रिपेयर देम थॉरोली. नाउ व्हाट इज द टाइमलाइन? I would say for phase 1 your desirable timeline should always be 5 months, and for phase 2 it should be 8 months, considering the timeline that is 1 week before the examination. Let's say your examination is on 14th of November. So consider the timeline of 7th of November preceding 5 months or 8 months with respect to phase 1 and phase 2. Now let's look at the questions also, guys. Phase 1 2024, there were 7 questions, 4 questions from last 3 months and 3 questions from 4 to 5 months, which means all the questions were from past 5 months. 9 questions, all the 9 questions were from past 6 months. So I would say, guys, here your target should always be 5 months and 8 months. But if you do not have a time, then 3 months and 6 months should be must with respect to phase 1 and phase 2. And the reason being that because you will see the government schemes are repeated continuously. So that is the only part of current affairs which used to repeat regularly. क्योंकि 3 सेशंस होते हैं, जो भी मेजर स्कीम्स आपकी न्यूज में होंगी वो सभी की सभी न्यूज में आती है, तो वो कहीं ना कहीं आपके इन मंथ लाइन टाइमलाइन पीरियड में आपको दिख ही जाएंगी. सो दैट इज हाउ द स्कीम्स कैन प्ले एन इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन द एग्जामिनेशन. नाउ लेट मी स्टार्ट विद द थिंग हियर. यू कैन सी हियर प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना अर्बन. The question has been asked. Our examination date was 8th of September. This was seen in news on 10th of August. Then, looking at the phase 2 examination, our examination was on 19th of October. Question asked on PM Pranam scheme. ठीक है जी. Seen in news on 27th of August here. August, September, October. Again, you can see in the past 3 months the scheme was seen. अब ये नहीं कह रहा कि प्रणाम स्कीम सिर्फ अगस्त में आई होगी. ये स्कीम देखो पक्का मार्च में भी आई होगी, कहीं ना कहीं दिसंबर में भी आई होगी, क्योंकि ये प्रोमिनेंट स्कीम्स हैं. तो इसीलिए जो भी प्रोमिनेंट स्कीम्स है वो आपकी रिपीट होती ही होती हैं जब भी सेशन होता है. ओके, सो इट डज नॉट मीन दैट अगर आपने जनवरी से स्टार्ट नहीं किया तो यार मेरी स्कीम मिस हो जाएगी. नहीं, डू नॉट गेट पैनिक. यू विल ऑलवेज सी द स्कीम्स आर गोइंग टू बी गेटिंग रिपीटेड. सो प्राइम ऑब्जेक्टिव शुड बी ऑन अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द स्कीम. दैट शुड बी द फर्स्ट पॉइंट ऑफ थिंग. नाउ व्हाट इज द प्राइम सोर्स दैट यू शुड फॉलो हियर. गाइस, विद रिस्पेक्ट टू गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स आई वुड से आंख बंद करके एक ही सोर्स फॉलो करो, दैट इज प्रेस इंफॉर्मेशन ब्यूरो, नथिंग एल्स. Because the return on output that you are getting with respect to government schemes on PIB is more than enough. I would say it's just unbelievable. Because if you look at the questions here, 7 questions, 6 questions from PIB, 9 questions, 7 questions were from PIB, which means it is a dominating pillar. Now, what you can do in addition to that is read the scheme which is in PIB, okay, and complement it with the ministerial website. This is something you can do if you really want to go in detail. ये स्कीम आपको दिख गई, पढ़ना कहां से? पीआईबी से पढ़ो और उसकी ऑफिशियल गाइडलाइंस पे जाके स्कीम्स को पढ़ना शुरू कर दो. इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग ऑन योर ओन, अदरवाइज द बेस्ट थिंग इज ऑलवेज गो विद द कंपाइलेशन बिकॉज यू विल गेट द लिस्ट ऑफ द स्कीम्स फ्रॉम पीआईबी. ओके जी. एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट EduTap, guys, we guys are offering you a comprehensive schemes tab magazine where we are covering the most important schemes. जो भी आपकी स्कीम्स एग्जाम के लिए रेलिवेंट हैं ऑन पीआईबी, वी आर कवरिंग ऑल दो स्कीम्स. ठीक है. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट मैंने बोला, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट कैसे डिसाइड होगा? वो डिसाइड होगा व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द डायमेंशंस हियर. ठीक है. बिकॉज यू कैन सी द क्वेश्चंस आर फ्रॉम पीआईबी. इफ आई टॉक अबाउट नाउ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट डायमेंशंस which you have to cover with regards to the government schemes, or if I talk about which schemes to cover, because that is the most important thing कि कौन सी पढ़े सर. मैंने बोल दिया इंपॉर्टेंट पढ़नी है, कौन सी. यही मेन डाउट है आप सबका कि सर कौन सी स्कीम मैं पढ़ूं अपने एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से. तो दोस्त उसमें मैं आपको बोलूंगा विच स्कीम टू कवर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कवर दो स्कीम्स विच आर रिसेंटली लॉन्च्ड. दे आर द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट स्कीम्स विच आर रिसेंटली लॉन्च्ड. ओके. Then cover those schemes which are having some sort of update. Either they are getting restructured or either they are getting an extension here. For example, Jal Jeevan Mission extended till the year 2028. Extension part is important. There is an updation to a scheme. Some structure has been changed. Some new criteria have been added. Restructure or update. That is the point here. Then third priority should be given to those schemes whose some milestone has been achieved. For example, recently, if you have just heard the news here, Suraksha Bima Yojana, Atal Pension Yojana, Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, they have completed 10 years. So a milestone has been achieved. Then if I talk about Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana completed 10 years, where around 33 lakh crore plus of loans have been sanctioned under the Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana. This tells us that these schemes are important and these data are very important. because the thing that always gets an issue with the student is सर देयर इज लॉट एंड लॉट ऑफ डाटा। आपको डाटा कौन सा याद करना है यार? अगर कोई माइलस्टोन अचीव होता है देन रिमेंबर दैट डाटा। फॉर एग्जांपल 33 लाख करोड़ प्लस लोन सैंक्शनड अंडर द मुद्रा योजना, दैट डाटा इज इंपॉर्टेंट, not a data like that as on January these many people have enrolled, as on January these many money has been disbursed. No, because that is subjective to change, not important, but the core data of the scheme will become important. If you talk about PM Kisan scheme, you should know about the core data. Now what is core data? I will explain you further कि core data क्या होता है, कि launch year है, objective है, वो क्या है, वो पढ़ना है सबसे पहले. And then if we talk about, there are the schemes which are announced or mentioned in the Union Budget and Economic Survey are important here. Okay, so these are the important schemes which you must prepare for PIB. And one thing if I talk about addition to here is, if there is a detailed article. Now what do you mean by detailed article? Detailed article means when there is a explainer sort of a thing which you will see in PIB. For example, you will see a proper article on PMFBY. A data article is seen in PIB. So that sort of data or that sort of information or that sort of links which are provided is important. So these are the criteria. Please note down these criteria which are important when you start the government. यार ये क्राइटेरिया पे मुझे स्कीम पढ़नी है, ना कि हर स्कीम पढ़नी है। और वो कोई भी स्कीम हो, आपकी पीएम किसान हो, पीएम फसल बीमा योजना, प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना, वो सब न्यूज में होंगी with respect to the timeline. Source I have told you where that will be seen. I have told you in the dimension that it will be seen because काफी बार अगर यहां पे नहीं होगा तो पीएम किसान में क्या होता है, डिटेल्ड आर्टिकल आया होता है, क्वेश्चन इसलिए पूछा जाता है. So that is why these things are important when you start reading the scheme. Okay, for here if I talk about here the question that has been asked, so there is a proper article. ठीक है जी, because first of all the आवास योजना अर्बन got launched और अनाउंस इन द यूनियन बजट, देन इसी के बारे में लॉन्चिंग हुई थी जस्ट बिफोर द एग्जामिनेशन दैट आई हैव शोड यू. Talking about PM Pranam, there is the proper detailed article given on sustainable agriculture which has talked about different schemes of agriculture, and one of that was PM Pranam. If I just show you that thing, see here, sustainable farming, transforming agriculture sector with organic farming, and here there was an information on PM Pranam. So these sort of things are important for our examination. That is why I said the detailed articles are very, very important when you talk about the reading of the scheme here. Now let's talk about the launch part here, guys. ठीक है, जैसे क्वेश्चन आया था 2023 में, okay, sorry 22 में updation was there. Then the question was in 2022 examination with regards to the day scheme also, because that was recently launched. So that thing is important. Okay, now let's talk to the one of the major problem here with regards to which dimension you have to prepare or how to prepare a government scheme. I said guys, for that guys, first of all try to understand these basic things. Understand these basic things, that from where the examiner is going to target the question from us. He will ask us identify the scheme. For identification of a scheme, you should have a thorough understanding of the scheme. What I mean by thorough understanding of the scheme, think about, never think about examination, just think about you are a normal person. मैं और आप बात कर रहे हैं, हम किसी स्कीम के बारे में डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, हम क्या बात करेंगे? मैं बोलूंगा अच्छा यार गवर्नमेंट ने ना एक स्कीम लॉन्च किया, मुद्रा स्कीम, पता उसके अंदर लोन मिलता है, वो ठीक है यार, क्योंकि कब लॉन्च की, कौन लेके आया वो स्कीम, क्या ऑब्जेक्टिव है, ऑब्जेक्टिव मींस व्हाट दैट स्कीम वांट्स टू डू, हु विल बी द बेनिफिशियरीज, व्हाट दे विल गेट, what are the important things that are being given for them. For example, in terms of PM Mudra Yojana, we will talk about there are 4 type of loans: Shishu, Kishore, Tarun, Tarun Plus. So you should know ना कि शिशु कितना, किशोर कितना, तरुण कितना, तरुण प्लस कितना है. Then next part, we will talk about कि other benefits क्या है. शिशु के लिए कोई भी प्रोसेसिंग फीस नहीं है, तो हमने उसकी बात की. तरुण प्लस कब मिलेगा? If you have repaid the loan till Tarun, that is of 10 lakh, you will get an additional loan now up to 20 lakh rupees here. Criteria is there. Is there any sort of interest rate that will be reduced here? जनरल केस में कोई ऐसा नहीं लिखा हो, बट ये बोला कि पैसा कम मिलेगा. मुद्रा इज द टॉप ऑफ रीफाइनेंस स्कीम. Getting, because you are now not cramming the scheme, you are understanding the scheme. और यही अंडरस्टैंडिंग बनाएगी कि क्या है, किस तरह की स्कीम है, क्या ऑब्जेक्टिव है, कौन कौन को किसको फायदा मिलने वाला है, क्या की फीचर्स हैं. कुछ रीस्ट्रक्चर चेंज तो नहीं हुआ. And from this is where you will see the questions also. For example, if you see a question on PM Pranam. PM Pranam में क्या पूछा उन्होंने? सबसे पहले the term PM Pranam stands for, just simplify about the identification of the scheme here. Then it talked about the department, nodal ministry or the nodal department for running the scheme. Then the second point is about the key features of the scheme here. So which means it's not just a single dimension that you have to read, you have to read the multiple dimensions. और इसको आप और better समझना, इसको understand करने के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं? You can also visit to our EduTap regulatory bodies channel and subscribe to the playlist and you can watch the playlist of government schemes. ठीक है जी, जहां पे मैंने आपके साथ इन स्कीम्स को इसी बहुत लेमन टर्म्स में डिस्कस किया, क्वेश्चन आंसर फॉर्मेट में डिस्कस किया. कहीं ना कहीं अब हमने क्या किया, कैरेक्टर फॉर्मेशन बनानी स्टार्ट की है. बिकॉज व्हेन यू आर सीइंग अ प्रैक्टिकलिटी ऑफ दैट स्कीम ना, देन इट विल बी इजी फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड द स्कीम. Do not cram the scheme. Always understand the scheme, because if you have understood your objective, your subjective usage of the scheme in terms of your interview, you can do wonders in every aspect of the examination. बिकॉज आपको सिर्फ ये एमसीक्यूज तो करने नहीं है, आपको यही चीज डिस्क्रिप्टिव में कोड करनी भी आनी चाहिए. आपको इंटरव्यू में बताओ भाई मुझे कहां पे कौन सी स्कीम बतानी है. वो कब पता चलेगा? जब मुझे स्कीम की अंडरस्टैंडिंग होगी. सो दैट शुड बी द थिंग विद रिगार्ड्स टू द डायमेंशंस ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट schemes here. Now, let me conclude with one thing that is always in the mind of a student is, which ministry shall I read? I always say, guys, the schemes which are seen in news, irrespective of ministry, should be followed. But still, this is the doubt in the mind of a student, that which ministry shall I read? Now, guys, my answer is quite simple. If you look at the Press Information Bureau, prominently the schemes are always being asked from those ministries which are related to your syllabus. And if you see here, these are the prominent ministries which are related to the syllabus of your RBI. Ministry of Finance, you have a topic of social justice, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Urbanization and Migration, Housing and Urban Affairs. Gender issues, women and child development. You talk about employment, labor and employment. You talk about sustainable development and environmental issues, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Indian agriculture is a topic given under economic and social issues, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Ministry of Rural Development. Social justice, health also comes here, education also comes in, and these are the prominent ministries from which you will see the question here, because majorly अगर जो स्कीम्स आपकी न्यूज में भी होंगी वो इन्हीं ही मिनिस्ट्री से होती हैं. इसके अलावा कौन सी हो सकती है? मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कॉमर्स, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एमएसएमई, देखिए मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ माइक्रो स्मॉल एंड मीडियम एंटरप्राइजेस. These are the important ministries which are important. Other than that, guys, the schemes which are launched, it could be of Ministry of Heavy Industry, it could be of Ministry of Corporate Affairs. If they are recently launched, they are again important for the examination. So this should be your strategy with regards to the government schemes, and I hope now it's easy for you to understand that what should be my right strategy when I'm preparing for the government schemes. Okay जी, and do let me know about that also in the comment section कि हाँ सर अब डाउट क्लियर हो गया है. अगर क्लियर है तो let's rock the government schemes. ठीक है, just comment में कि we will rock the government schemes. Okay जी, चलो. Now before I conclude here, guys, let me just take you to the website of EduTap, guys. So if you want to prepare in a comprehensive preparation with regards to your RBI grade A or B examination preparation, guys, you can subscribe to the courses of EduTap. ठीक है, just go to the website www.edutap.in, go to the courses, click on RBI grade B courses here. When you will go to the RBI grade B courses, ठीक है जी, these are different sort of courses we are providing you here. A gold course where you will get a comprehensive coverage of your phase 1, phase 2 and your interview preparation. If you let's out think that I am really good in quant reasoning and English, I just want to prepare the phase 2 of the examination as well as the general awareness section here, you can subscribe to our silver course. Here you will get an interview guidance plus your phase 1, phase 2 related things here, but QRA will not be a part here. Now, for example, you feel that I am really good in every part, but I just want to practice the thing here. You can go to the test is part here also. Okay, so there are different course validities given here, guys. ठीक है जी, and the discounts will be there. So whenever you visit the website, जो भी recent discount आपको होगा, आप वहां पे जाके उसको avail कर सकते हैं. Okay, guys. So this was all about your video with regards to what should be the right strategy, or I would say how you should cover the government schemes with regards to your RBI examination. Okay, guys. So on that note, I will be leaving you for the day. I again wish you all the best for the examination. Keep working hard, keep preparing hard. Bye-bye.